Today's video is going to be very interesting. This is how to highlight cells. Suppose this is the data. So department, revenue, budget, expenses, years. So I have selected here from this drop down list. Suppose if I select finance, then only the finance related data, those rows or those data will be highlighted. Suppose mechanical, you can see, so you can select account only one, you can select from here. So how to do that in today's lesson I will show you. For this, go to this fresh tab over here, and this sheet, this is the table. This is a simple table with that department, revenue, budget, all these things. So this is the random number I have selected, nothing else. So you can put as per the actual data. So in the first step, what you have to do, suppose I need to copy. I'll copy and then paste here. Copy and paste here. So this is step 1. So in the first step, what I have to do, I have to remove the duplicates first. So go to data, and here you can see remove duplicates. So if you click here, it will remove the duplicates from here. 7 duplicates are 7 unique values remain. Okay, so I have removed all the duplicates. So only these data are available: electrical, civil, finance, mechanical, INC, accountant, quality. Okay, now as a second step, we need to go to, so second step is the data validation. So for this we need to click here. Okay, here I have written department, because department wise I want to segregate, I want to highlight these cells. So here, and go to the data validation in the same tab, sorry, under data tab. Here is the data validation. Here, allow from the list, I want drop down list, and here is the source. As a source, let's select this cell. Okay, click OK. Now this drop down list came. So all these departments, this drop down list came. So you can highlight this cell, because you will not be able to find out this drop down symbol here. So that's why, for easy identification, let's highlight this cell like this. Okay, so this is step 2. Now step 3, let's select the entire data table and go to conditional formatting here under home tab, conditional formatting. Now new rules, here use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now edit the rule description. So suppose equals to, you need to put the first cell here equals to this cell. Okay, and here you need to remove this dollar symbol between C and 3. This dollar symbol I have removed. Okay, and what I want to format this fill color, suppose in light. Okay, this color is okay, then press OK. Okay. Now if I go to this drop down list and select anyone, suppose electrical, you see this electrical came. If I select from this drop down list finance, So finance related cells are highlighted. Mechanical highlighted. Okay, so in this way we can easily, suppose civil, it is highlighted. So from this drop down list, with easily you can identify all the data. You can highlight all the data like this. So so there are three steps basically. First step is to remove duplicate under data tab. Yes, remove duplicates. Then second step is the data validation, and third step is the under home tab, the conditional formatting. We need to set the rules over here. Then done. So with these three basic simple steps, you can highlight the cells.